Welcome to our tutorial on part 2 in Input in Python Programming. In today's video, we're going to dive into the input function of Python. This is part 2 of the input function video in this channel. If you have not watched part 1, I would recommend you watch the input function, part 1, before watching this video. Before I begin, please take action now. Subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Let's get started. Here I have an example of a program that shows the input function. And I will go over to the interpreter to show you how this program works. So here I have my program here, line 1. Again, just input the name of the fruit and the price of the fruit. And then I'll just print the fruit costs this much. So if I run this program, you will see my input here from line 1, enter the name of the fruit. So I'll just type in apple. And then enter the price of the fruit. Nothing new about this. We're just entering the price of the fruit that I want the user to enter. Let's say the fruit costs $2. And then when I press enter, line 3 will print out the fruit, the apple, which is the input here, costs $2, which is the price of the fruit. All right, notice the input here in line 2, it will just print enter the price of the fruit. All right, but if I want to make it more personalized, I want to say enter the price of the apple, because the user input apple here, I wanted to say enter the price of the apple. How do you do that? So let me comment this statement out and include this statement here. Now this, with the concatenation operator here, I am able to pull up what the user input in line 1. So let's run this program and you can see the difference here with entering the price of the fruit versus entering the price of whatever the user input here. So let's take a look here as we run the program. Enter fruit, I will still type in apple. And then notice, enter the price of the apple. No longer will the statement says enter price of the fruit, right? When we had the program before, line 2 will just say enter the price of the fruit. But now I commented that statement out, and instead I'm saying input enter the price of the fruit, whatever the user entered in line 1. So now you can see it's very specific, more personalized. Enter the price of the apple. And so let me type in $2, and then the result will be the price of the apple cost $2. Now let me run it again. If I say enter the price of orange, right? Enter fruit, I type in orange. Now you can see enter the price of the orange. So whatever the user type in, it will pull it in with the code in line 3 using the concatenation operators. So let's say this is $1.50 and the orange costs $1.50. So one more time, enter the fruit. So I will say melon. And you can see now the price of the melon, right? It's asking you the price of the melon. Let's say melon is $4 or $4. Oops, I said 409. That's okay. So it's 409. So the melon costs 409. So that's this program here. Now, by showing the current value of a variable in the input prompt, you can provide a more meaningful reference to the user indicating the expected input based on the current state of the program. Thank you for joining us today. Please remember to subscribe to this channel and click the like button for more videos about Python. Come back and join us again. In the meantime, have fun coding Python.